So as far as LED lights are concerned, I've been running Basla with their LED lights, and I've had great results. I've ran multiple setups, so it was only time to order the newest product, and Basla is doing work again. Even the packaging on their slip, custom identified. Great job. So we're gonna do a real quick unboxing, and I'm gonna walk you through their newest S1 bulbs, what they are, what they offer, and we're gonna throw them on our Honda Civic right there and see how we like it. So right over here we got the Bullet B1. These are 9005 LED lights, and actually if you compare the old ones where it says Safe Fun on both of the old packages, these are Safe Mini, and the reason they're minis is because they come in such a convenient packaging, and they are actually minis. Like, these things are pretty darn small, convenient, and this will fit anywhere. I mean, the structure is just as big as your factory halogen bulb, so you shouldn't have any problems with this not fitting in the factory location. So I'm gonna go ahead and take both of them out. If you want to see clearer at night or in the dark when you are driving, the Basla B1 LED lights will help you do so. The B1 bulbs are a all-in-one design, pretty small and compact, same size as your halogen bulb, but it is 200% brighter than your halogen bulbs. Plug and play, so you won't have any issues. Pretty much I want to upgrade, get these things going, and we'll see how they look. These LED lights are 65K Kelvin, so they are a pure white, 30 watts per bulb, and roughly about 3600 lumens per bulb. So we're talking about 7200 lumens total, and they do come with a 1-year warranty as well. So if you have any issues, you can return them and go about your way. With these new B1 bulbs, they do have a new patent design with the chip in the diode, the extra diode on the chipset, and supposedly it is supposed to help in the dark light up the path so there are no dark areas. And the cooling fans, I've had a few of these LED bulbs where in the winter time, especially when you start your car, you can actually hear the LED fans running, and it's kind of annoying. You get a hum and a buzz. But these have hydraulic high-speed cooling fans that the sound is less than 25 decibels, and they state there is no fan noise in the car, giving you a better driving experience, which is exactly what we're looking for. We don't want to have things humming in our engine bay where you can hear that audibly in the inside of the cabin. Let's throw them on the car, guys. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, well, now that we're turbocharged, we're definitely gonna need good lighting for everyone to see us, to get the hell out of our way. So I'm taking out the original 9005 bulb. These are just halogen yellow bulbs that we've been running, and we're gonna swap them out. Again, plug and play, real simple and easy. Well, the first thing you'll notice is on camera, halogens look solid, but on camera, the LEDs look like they're flashing. But I can assure you there is no pulsation. That's just how cameras pick it up. And it's even hard to film it. We'll check at night how it looks.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us